Yeah, y'all. One LVZ. Back with another video. NBA talk. Like, share, subscribe, peep game. So look, the Lakers hired Frank Vogel, but then they hired Jason Kidd. Power struggle waiting to happen. The fans were protesting saying sell the team. Ticket TV make a fake news video like Fox News. Some fans is protesting LeBron James. No, they were protesting. They were telling Jeannie to sell the team. What does that got to do with LeBron James? Stop, bruh. This shit is sad. You making videos hating on LeBron for nothing, and the rest of you niggas agree with him because y'all just, I don't know. Y'all hate LeBron too for no reason. We ain't even, I don't even, Ticket TV is the biggest hypocrite when it comes to LeBron James. Oh, I don't hate LeBron. I give him credit at the same time. At the same time. They should fire Luke Walton. Then when LeBron said, I don't like when LeBron say fire Luke Walton. LVZ, you don't think that LeBron James isn't? No, I don't think he got nothing to do with front office. I think that's you projecting, wishing that he do that shit. Oh, you don't think? No, I don't think. And you don't even, nigga. We wasn't winning when he got there. We still, even with this bad record this year, we still been better than we been over the last 6 years. Read it and weep. I'm sick of this bullshit. Nigga, you wasn't running around talking about we was gonna win with Ingram and Lonzo. So stop this dumb shit. It's getting ridiculous. Get a grip. Stop hating. I love you, bro, but shit, this shit is, for real, you killing your own credibility. You with the rest of these fucking morons in your chat room. Yeah, LeBron is the reason I just we trade him. So we could run with Lonzo Ball, Ingram, and Kuzma, nigga. Them niggas ain't winning nothing, and they ain't concerned with winning nothing. And you can't talk about LeBron James want to get rid of Luke Walton when you was saying that in the beginning of the season. Stop. LeBron James trying to steal Portland's shot. Why you all on Instagram worried about what LeBron James doing? Ain't your black ass supposed to be watching the game? Nobody knew what LeBron was doing but you and Skip Bayless. That don't make no sense. You ought to stop. Oh, but Michael Jordan must. Get the fuck out of here. I don't hear that bullshit. You make up these delusions of grandeur about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan never. Man, get out of here. Fuck Michael Jordan. I said it. Fuck Michael Jordan. And I say it again. Fuck Michael Jordan. You know we need Phil Jackson. Fuck Phil Jackson. We don't need him either. We need something different. So this is a good hire, Frank Vogel. I love you, bro, but you got to stop this bullshit. One LVZ, man. I'm out.